Hello, everybody. Welcome to Get Ahead Learning Tutoring. I created a Jeopardy review template, and I thought I'd just take a minute to show you some of the features. First of all, I hope you agree with me that it's aesthetically pleasing. I put in a good deal of effort to make each slide attractive, to at least in part keep the students' attention. It's fully customizable, so you could edit it to fit your needs. Here's the opening screen, and then if you just scroll or push an arrow down, it takes you to the main category board where I have 3 different versions. This is the regular or large board where you have a 5x5 grid. I have a medium board, which would be a 4x4, and a small version of the Jeopardy template as well, which would be 3 categories and 4 items in each category, a 3x4. So some of the features are that everything is hyperlinked to the screen in which there would be a question and an answer to follow. And on top of that, there are also sound effects. So the categories you would fill in to fit your needs. And if you were to click on any of these links here, they should take you to a screen. Every time you come to a question slide, you would hear that sound, and then you would have a question pre-populated here. And when it was time to reveal the answer, you could click on the answer here and you'll hear another sound. And you would have the answer here. Now you have options on every screen. You can go to the home. Nice, right? And just to go back to where we were. If you go to this button here that says score, you'll come to a score table. Now, I will say, though, this is the one thing that could probably be improved is that this has to be manually inputted. I would probably just keep track of the score on the board or separately from the slideshow, and just go about using this template in every other way that you can. So if you do get to the point where you finish all the questions and/or are running out of time, and it's time for Final Jeopardy, you hit the button here and it'll take you to the first slide that tells you how to go about making your wager, what you can wager up to, and then you have a button that takes you to the question and a button that takes you to. Lastly, just once again, you could either go final score table if you're keeping track, or you could go to the home button and call it a day. All right, thanks for watching. Check out this template and other items as well on the Get Ahead Learning Teachers Pay Teachers storefront. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.